Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a PC Products brand, their PC-Masonry Epoxy Adhesive Paste, two-part repair. Comes shipped with plastic holding the two together. It's two 16-ounce jars for a total of 32 ounces. This is great when you mix the two together. This is 73209 is the part number. The working time when you mix the two together is about 20 minutes. And it'll cure in 4 hours. That's what they're calling the service time. So this can be used indoor and outdoor, and application temperature range of 35 degrees to 115. So anything above a freezing to 115 degrees, you can apply this. And the service temperature, the range that it'll work with once it's cured, is minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty amazing. It's a non-sagging paste. Can be used on horizontal and overhead surfaces. This could be painted, stained, and machined after fully cured. I'd recommend you smooth it out using a brush or your finger with denatured alcohol. I'm going to be repairing an area of concrete on my sidewalk, and what I'm going to be using while I'm doing it is a couple different tools. I got a brush and some denatured alcohol and separate applicators for the part A and the part B. And then I'll be using this to get the epoxy in place on the repair. So I'm going to show you that repair. So this is one of the areas I'm going to be repairing. There's other areas on my stoop right here, but this is the main one I'm going to be using the two-part epoxy on. Now what I did is I cleaned it out and make sure there's no stones, and now I'm going to put the epoxy on there. So I'm going to mix the epoxy. I've got the resin and the hardener. I've got separate stirrers. You can use the same one if you wipe it and use some denatured alcohol. So I'm going to try and, using what's on the cap right here. Now I start off with probably less than I need, because you could build this up. Make sure that they're about the same. Keep this one separate. I'm going to have to come back and do more. And then I'm going to use this one for the actual mixing. And you can see the color is becoming gray, and it has a gritty, sandy texture to it, which is normal because they're probably adding sand to it. So it's cured now. I decided not to go over it with denatured alcohol because I'm going to add another thin coat on there. But product works, locks in place, totally waterproof, and you could paint it like I mentioned to make it look perfect. You could also sand it. So after testing, what do I think about the PC Products brand? Their Masonry Epoxy two-part system with the large 16 ounces times 2. As I demonstrated, this worked really well. And this is a very durable product, and it'll outlast the concrete that you're putting it on. So very good product. I'm impressed with the quality control of it and how well it works. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.